My name is Kati and I'm from Finland.
And I'm Damian and I live in Finland.
We came to Slovenia for vacation and curiosity took us to see the mattresses here in the system.
Holiday it's really important. Slovenia is really beautiful. We were really pleased with the experience that we got with the service, and we spent probably here 2 hours, 3. Yeah, just jumping from the bed to bed and testing.
I was happy that we got also good service in English, and the lady was really patient with us because I wanted to ask the details about the mattresses. She was explaining. Yeah, I was really happy that we found personalized mattresses for both of us. I'm quite a small lady, thin lady, and he needed different kind of mattress.
Hyvää yötä.
Ja kauniita unia.
Good night.
And have a nice sleep.